Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. The video provides updates on various Star Atlas initiatives, prominently featuring the imminent launch of HoloSim Season 1, Chapter 1, with $5,000 in USDC and $30,000 in Star Atlas asset rewards, despite a slight delay. The community-driven Iris Quest Tournament Finals are set for Sunday, showcasing 14 teams vying for glory and prizes. Other upcoming events include a Cologne meetup during Gamescom and the final Town Hall Part 3 of Star Atlas Summer. Star Atlas Summer's marketing efforts have yielded positive results, with a significant increase in email signups and Discord visitors. The central focus of the discussion is z.ink, a new network token introduced as a strategic move to prevent dilution of Atlas and Polis tokens. Z.ink is designed to replace network transaction fees previously paid in Sol and is projected to reduce players' total operating costs by more than 99%. The vision for z.ink is to establish a fully open access, permissionless, and decentralized network, extending beyond Star Atlas to attract a broader audience. To achieve this, a substantial 65% of the z.ink token supply is allocated for airdrops, partnerships, and grants, providing incentives for validators and other projects to build on the network without drawing from Atlas or Polis supplies. This initiative also addresses past issues with Solana's network congestion and high-priority fees, which significantly impacted player profitability. With z.ink, the Star Atlas DAO and Automata will directly earn the network's transaction fee currency, enhancing their ability to subsidize user costs. The mainnet z.ink launch, token generation event, TGE, and the conclusion of the airdrop are targeted for December. At this time, a bridge between z.ink and Solana will be operational, and on-chain game systems, such as Sage C4, will transition to running on z.ink. The two-way bridge will involve a small fee to cover operational costs and employs a decentralized architecture, though direct bridging of CNFTs is not yet available. Security is paramount, with plans for audits and initial restrictions on assets crossing the bridge. While the Galactic Marketplace will initially remain on Solana, local marketplaces will be introduced on z.ink with the C4 release, and a wallet partner has already been secured for the new network. Z.ink presents a, quote, land grab opportunity for first movers in DeFi services like DEXs and lending pools, with potential exclusivity periods. Program deployment will be initially restricted to prevent spam, but will be accessible for legitimate projects. The existing high transaction volume from Star Atlas game systems provides a strong foundation for z.ink to attract further development. Currently, becoming a z.ink validator is a curated process, involving licensing deals with experienced operators, and there is no public pathway to participate. The long-term goal is full decentralization, envisioning a network that could persist independently, with the Star Atlas IP potentially transferred to the DAO. Z.ink's core monetization strategy revolves around premium subscription tiers, Alpha, Aura, Apex, which offer significant benefits, including XP multipliers, up to 2x, free z.ink premium on-chain naming services, and access to Star Atlas game cosmetics and assets through a Battle Pass system. The z.ink airdrop campaign is slated to begin in September, with XP tracking lasting 3 months until the December TGE and distribution. Notably, historical activity will not contribute to general airdrop allocations to encourage new user participation, though long-term OGs will receive perks like guaranteed free z.ink premium domains and potential benefits related to their battle-tested role. Z.ink's custom software extensions on the validator network will also enable advanced features like hidden fleet movement and complex on-chain calculations that were previously challenging on a generalized network. Ultimately, z.ink is affirmed as a commitment to building a decentralized cyber nation rather than a pivot to Web 2, and it is intended to be complementary to, not competitive with, Solana.